Are you vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking for a quick, healthy dish that packs the flavor? Well, today we're making curry jackfruit wontons. So let's get started. In a saute pan on medium heat, we are going to brown our seasoning and our jackfruit. Today we're using curry powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and our sazon. We're not going to use any oil. We're going to make sure we stir these bad boys so they don't burn. Again, no oil. So now we're going to add water. This water is picking up all of that flavor at the bottom of the pan. And guess what? Curry and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties, and jackfruit is considered a superfood. So this dish is flavorful and healthy. Just add just enough water, not to cover the jackfruit, but to make sure it doesn't evaporate during the cooking process. Stir it around, and we're going to set it and forget it. Simmer these bad boys for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're going to look at this and say, now what? This fruit turned into what looks like a pulled chicken or a pulled pork. This is flavor, y'all. Now use your spatula or a spoon, but guess what? Here's the secret. Use a potato masher. That's the fastest way to break this apart. Now stuff this mixture into wontons and look at this. Curry jackfruit wontons. Enjoy!